Hi guys, my name is Alina. Welcome to our channel. And today I made a chatterbox. So I made one and I'm going to be using it on my brother, and then later on I'll be showing you how to make one. So Arshad, come here to be related.
Yes, I'm coming. Hi guys, my name is Arshad.
Okay, so here we got a chatterbox, and you can choose whatever color you want. Here you go.
Green.
Green. Pick a number.
2.
1, 2.
6.
6. You stink.
Oh, no I don't.
Do it again.
Blue.
B-O-U-E. Choose one.
8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pick a number.
5.
Okay. You need help.
No, I don't need help. I want to make one.
Yeah, I will show you how to make one. So let's get started. Get the paper. Okay, just choose any. Okay. The first thing you need to do is just line up the paper on the side like this.
Okay.
And then you're gonna have to crease it.
Okay. Make a triangle. Is that good, Alina?
Yeah, that's good. So, and then the second thing you need to do is cut off the extra paper. Go. Use your top paper as a guide.
Give me the scissors after, Alina.
Okay. There you go. Now you just put it inside, and now it's like a perfect square.
Oh yeah, it does look like a perfect square.
So the next thing we need to do is, so we have to fold it in half this way.
This blue matches my t-shirt.
So here it is, and then open it up and then turn it around and do it on the other side. Next step is to fold the corners in the middle. How are you going, Asha? Do you need any help?
No, I'm doing it.
Okay.
Don't.
Do it to all the corners. This is how it looks like. So now we're going to turn it over. Oh wow, Asha, that looks good. Okay, so same thing, we have to fold all the corners into the middle.
Okay.
We folded all the corners into the middle, so let's just flip it over. So flip it over, and then you half it like this. Like this.
Thank you, Alina.
It's okay. Open it this way. This way, and then you do it. And then this way, okay? And now open it. So just do like this and then put your fingers in. Try to put your finger in. And then there you go, it's done.
It's ready to be used.
This is our chatterboxes. What are you going to write in your chatterbox?
I don't know.
Mine looks like a Pac-Man.
Mine looks like a monster, like a grabbing monster.
So now you just write the colors. Okay, I've done it all, as you can see. And then we're going to flip on the other side and write all the numbers. One. It goes all the way up to 8. So inside, and then you can write the message. So for number 1, I'm going to be writing. Ready? Are you ready, Ashad?
Yes.
Okay. So I'll go first. What color?
Purple.
P-U-R-P-L-E. What number?
8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pick number.
3.
Okay. Sometimes I hate you.
Oh. My turn. Which color?
Red.
R-E-D. Which number?
1.
1. Which number?
Number 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
and 8.
You look like a rat.
No, I don't. I'll get you back. This is so cool. Bye, guys. Have fun making this.
And
Please like and subscribe.
Bye, guys.